Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we are joined by the beautiful Jah9. Welcome.
Sing sisters.
Love you.
Now you've been extremely busy touring, working on new music. Tell us a little bit about that.
So we're working on a new EP. It's going to be a strictly vinyl EP though, special vibes for the summer. So that'll be out in August on vinyl exclusively. And the top of the year next year, we're hoping to release the full project.
Okay.
Wonderful.
So that's what's in the works now.
And then
great.
this is something I didn't know about you, that you're actually a yoga instructor.
Yes.
Amazing. I think that's why your energy is so beautiful too. What has yoga done for you spiritually, even professionally?
Well, yoga is a word.
Yeah.
And that word is representative of connecting breath with movement and using it to still the mind and unlock the spirit and the body.
Right.
And so as a yoga teacher, because I've had to train for so many years and learn so many different styles, I've really realized it's not so much about which style of yoga you're doing. It's really about, are you breathing? Are you getting the fullest breath that you possibly can? Are you incorporating that into your life? Do you understand the value of meditation and all of that? So I try to bring that around the world with me in a program I called Yoga and Dub, using music, the music I love, drum and bass, roots, dub, to help make it a little easier for especially people who have never been exposed to yoga to kind of focus on the music, listen to my voice rather than overthinking, because we really spend so much time in our minds, and really and truly is about connecting with the breath and emptying out all of that so we can make space.
And it makes you feel good,
That's
doesn't
beautiful.
Exactly.
And
And that's
what?
so necessary
Guess
right
what?
now. What?
She is going to perform Feel Good.
Yes.
Take it away. Jah9.
And the dub treatment.
One, two, three, four.
Things will make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Things will make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Things will make your body feel good. Oh, things will make your body feel good. Only the things will make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Well, love it when the muscles start burn. Love it when the body start learn how to bend. Like to feel the pelvis oscillate and kundalini activate, and I'm transported to a higher state. Into the sea or into the dance or on the yoga mat. Into the office or into the vehicle or anywhere I'm at. Just monitor the hydration and surrender to the high vibration of the things that make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Things that make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Things that make your body feel good. Oh, things that make your body feel good. Only the things that make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Now as a herbalist living with the land, trust me, there is a cure for every illness known to man, but it takes courage and knowledge and patience to create the optimal state. Starts with what is on your plate. That will teach your brain what you endorse in and make it fill your vessel up with endorphins. So when you get to working and need the strength, the raw and the natural will help you reach the lens for those things will make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Things will make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Things will make your body feel good. Oh, things will make your body feel good. Only the things will make your body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. Now let me show you how to stretch your strength. Let me help your heart open. Sensations and emotions spring when the veil is broken. I let this natural high reflect in my life. The flex that I find bends even my mind. Oh, these things that make my body feel good. Oh, them the thing we like though. body feel good. Oh, them the things we like do. Things that make your body feel good. Oh, things that make your body feel good. Only the things that make your body feel good. Oh, them the things we like do. Move your body, a big dancer this tonight, you mean?